Let's pack an Eagle Cree Pack-It. I'm Steve Teagat with the travel blog postcardjar.com with inspiration to live and travel well. Coming up a little bit later on this spring, we're taking a cruise to Alaska, and that means a lot of warm, bulky items that we're going to need to take with us. And the question is, how do you get those items into your suitcase efficiently where they don't take up so much space? Well, we're in luck because Eagle Cree makes this thing called a Pack-It, and I absolutely love this thing. And it's just this nylon folder, sort of, that you have, and it comes with this plastic sleeve, and I'll show you how you use that in a minute. But what we're going to wind up doing is just stacking these clothes into this Pack-It. But here's a shirt, for instance, a long sleeve shirt I have. I just take this folder and fold the sleeves over, and I think you've seen things like this. I think department stores will have these types of folders, that sort of thing. But it allows you to get the shirt folded very neatly, and then you can simply stack it one on top of the next, pull that out, and then I take my next thing I have, say this button-down shirt, and I'll just real quick lay this out neatly, and then this goes on top again. And again, just neatly folding the clothes as they go. And then this goes here. So now I've got 3 shirts in this Pack-It. I'll take this plastic thing, put it on top, pull this tight. So I have 3 long sleeve shirts compressed down into this space. Now the good news is this Pack-It will actually hold maybe 7 or 8 or even 10 items depending on how thick they are. And you can really squeeze them down. It has a Velcro closer so that you can just pull tight and squeeze things down. What's really handy, let's say I want that blue shirt that I have at the very bottom. I just take out my handy dandy slider, slide it in, take my blue shirt, I want to wear this one, put these 2 items back, they remain neat inside the little folder, and I have the shirt that I want to wear. So that's packing with an Eagle Cree Pack-It. We recommend these highly.